right here is a bad transmission. How the heck did we get here?
Let us at CarBrain tell you. If you want to learn more about transmission problems or explore your options for a car with transmission problems, be sure to visit carbrain.com or click the link in the description. CarBrain buys damaged cars. Get that money for your car with transmission issues.
Because trust me, to replace it or fix it, it's going to be expensive.
So how do you know your transmission is bad? First off, you're going to have shifting struggles. A healthy transmission should be smooth like butter. If you're experiencing jerky changes, hesitation, or problems getting into gear, it's a huge red flag. And if you're able to shift gears, you might hear some grinding noises. This indicates worn out components that need immediate attention. Then there's slipping gears. This feels like you're constantly losing power. The engine revs up, but the car's not accelerating properly. This means your transmission is struggling to maintain the correct gear.
You smell that? That's the smell of a bad transmission.
Burning rubber or bitter odors is never a good sign. It could indicate overheating transmission fluid. It's a serious problem. You're not only going to smell things, you're going to hear things too, like whining, clunking, or any unusual sounds coming from your transmission are a cause of concern. There are numerous causes of transmission problems. Automatic transmissions have their own set of challenges. One is faulty solenoids. Yes, I know you don't know what the hell that is. These are tiny little switches that control your fluid flow. If a solenoid goes bad, shifting can become jerky, or gears might not even engage at all. Like any good seal, transmission seals keep things contained. But with age, they can wear out and leak precious fluids. This again leads to problems like low fluid levels and all that nastiness that comes with it.
I need transmission fluid.
Another common cause is overheating. You wouldn't want to run a marathon in a winter coat. Your transmission doesn't like excessive heat. This could be caused by towing heavy loads, a malfunctioning part, or even low fluid. Low or dirty transmission fluid is a big no-no. Keeps your transmission cool, lubricated, and shifting smoothly. We talked about this earlier. If you don't have any transmission fluid in your car, it's going to cause that stinking smell. When the gears are grinding and it's overheating, that's a recipe for disaster.
The worst case scenario is if your car simply refuses to shift and not move at all.
If you have no transmission fluid in your vehicle, parts like gears, bands, clutch plates, your solenoids are going to wear out, your transmission's going to slip.
The engine revs high,
but the car hesitates or struggles to accelerate. It's a sign that your transmission can't maintain proper gear. Transmission slipping is a serious issue and it should not be ignored.
If you experience this, pull over safely and have your car towed to a trusted mechanic for diagnosis. If you got a bad transmission or you're considering replacing it, it's going to cost you like $1,400 to $5,800 or even more, depending on your year, make, and model. If you're deciding not to replace your transmission and you want to sell your car, CarBrain can help. We buy cars in all conditions, including those with transmission problems. We offer a hassle-free process with free towing. Get an instant offer for your car today and see if we're the right option for you.
Thank you for thinking CarBrain. Subscribe to our CarBrain YouTube channel to stay up to date on more car videos. And remember, we buy it all.